Hey everyone, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing well, having a great week when you're watching this. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jessica. I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle, hair, budgeting, all types of content here on my channel. I'm sure you will find something that you enjoy. Make sure to subscribe before you leave, and also don't forget to leave a comment down below with any video requests that you may have. But for today's video, I have a review on this avocado and almond wash day deep moisture mask from Design Essentials. I am so excited to try this out today. I've never used anything from this brand. And yeah, if you guys are interested in relaxed hair videos, I post them here on my channel all the time. I am relaxed. I am not natural, which means that I am relaxed. But yeah, I love doing relaxed hair videos here on my channel. I love trying out new products, sharing with you guys my wash day routine, and just the whole nine. So before I ramble on, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright, so getting into this deep conditioner. Let's get into the details, shall we? So this is the Almond and Avocado Wash Day Deep Moisture Mask. It says condition curly and coily hair. Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Wash Day Deep Moisture Mask is a highly penetrating moisture treatment infused with the nourishing properties of almond and avocado to strengthen and soften hair, reducing breakage and making wash day detangling a breeze. This replenishing mask works wonders on dry hair. I've been experiencing dry hair because it's been so cold here in New York. I really have to just put my hair in some braids or something to protect it because it is just too much. So the directions here say, after shampooing, apply a palm-sized amount from roots to ends and comb through with a wide tooth comb. Leave in for up to 15 minutes. Sit under a dryer for maximum penetration. Rinse thoroughly with cool water. Repeat weekly for optimum results. So let's go ahead and get into it. Today I went ahead and washed my hair with my favorite line, the Care Moisturizing for color treated hair. It's my favorite line. I used the shampoo and the conditioner that you use in the shower. And my hair is just so soft. And then I put it up in my little turby twist or whatever. So let's get into it. I'm super excited. I feel like I haven't done a deep conditioner review in so long, but I literally did one the other day. So there's that. So I'm going to split my hair into two. My new growth is something serious right now, and in case you're wondering, yes, I am in my pajamas because it is Saturday and I refuse to get out of my pajamas on Saturday, and you should too. You know, that's the vibe we're on. So I have my spray bottle here that I picked up for Amazon. I'll have it linked in the description for you guys. So you guys, if you are in the NYC area, please give me a recommendation for a Dominican hair salon, because I told you guys in my last video, if you didn't watch it, it was my wash day routine, that my hairstylist left me to move to Florida, and I'm super depressed about it because I've literally been going to her since I was 12. So there's that. So let's go ahead and part my hair off. We're going to start at the bottom and work our way to the top. So my hair is super saturated, which we love to see. So let's see the consistency of this as well. So it just looks like this. Nothing too crazy. It's just like a white liquid. Yeah, no, it's actually pretty thick. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell. It's pretty thick, so if I tip it over, it's not gonna come out. But this is the consistency. It's really nice and thick. It's almost like a yogurt consistency, I would say. So let's go ahead and apply it. Also, excuse my nails, but I don't like to do deep conditioner reviews when I have nails on because I hate for it to get stuck under my nails. So all right, so this feels really moisturizing. So far, so good. It feels really nice in my fingertips. Let's go ahead and detangle. There's not much to detangle in this section, you know, but let's go ahead and try it. I feel like it's like melting my little tangles away, which that is always amazing. But yeah, that was super easy to detangle, as you guys can see. Let's move on to another section. I've been saying my hair has been super dry. One, because I'm dealing with like these two textures at the moment because I need a relaxer, and also because it's just been so cold here in New York. So make sure it's nice and wet. And I'm going to take about, oh, that's a lot, this much, and start at the tip and work my way up. Like so. Oh, I really like this. I can even like finger detangle. Oh, it feels really nice. It smells really good too. It's like it's like kind of floral, but like kind of fruity too. So if you like fruity, it almost smells like bubblegum a little bit. So if you're into that, this will definitely be your vibe. Be very gentle when your hair is wet, because you can be very prone to breakage when your hair is wet. So you want to be super gentle. But yeah, it feels really good on both my textures right now. I'm not going natural before any of you guys ask. Not like before any of you guys ask, but like before any of you guys ask. I'm not planning on going natural, but if I can't find a good hairstylist, that might be my only option, because I don't know how to do with two textures of hair. Like, it's just too much. It's too much. So, all right. But yeah, guys, I'm really liking this so far. I feel like it's really moisturizing so far. I'm not really getting any of the strengthening properties yet. Like, my hair doesn't feel hard or anything, which, you know, it's good because it says moisture mask, so you don't want it to be like super hard when it says moisturizing mask, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna put this in my roots because they need a lot of moisture, especially with them being so coarse. But yeah, guys, please, if you're in the NYC area, even like the out boroughs, like anything Jersey, please let me know of a Dominican salon. I would really appreciate it, who like can do like good relaxers, or if you've had like experience with them, you know, like just let a girl know, please let me know. I would really appreciate it. So but yeah, go ahead and finish up putting in the rest of this conditioner, and I will see you guys in a little bit when I'm done. Okay, guys, so we are back with the conditioner oil in my hair. My hair feels really good. I feel like my hair is like drinking it up because, like I said, my hair is so freaking dry. Also, excuse my nails. You guys always catch me on the weekend, and that's when I do my nails. So I look a little crazy sometimes. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and sit with this under my heating cap for about 15 minutes or so, rinse it out, and we'll come back and reconvene and see where we are in just a little bit. So I'll be back. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and rinsed out the conditioner, and let's go ahead and see what my hair is looking like. So she feels amazing, you guys. Like, my new growth doesn't even feel like new growth. Like, it feels so good, you guys. Like, so moisturized, but not like weighed down by any means. And I will be honest with you guys. You guys know I don't really listen to directions per se, because my light just fell. I left this in for a half an hour, and I put on my heating cap instead of sitting under the dryer. But you guys know I don't listen to directions around here. I read them, but I don't listen. So this is what my hair is looking like. I will do a close-up for you guys so you guys can see what I'm working with. But my hair feels so good. I feel like it's so manageable, easy to detangle. I'm gonna have such an easy time wrapping my hair, putting it in the rollers. Oh, it feels so good. So let's go ahead. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the claims again for this conditioner. So it says that it is a highly penetrating moisture treatment. I agree. My hair feels super moisturized. If used with nourishing properties of almond and avocado to strengthen and soften hair, reduce breakage, and making wash day detangling a breeze, this replenishing mask works wonders on dry hair. I honestly can say I know that I'm going to have such an easy time detangling my hair because it's so soft and manageable. Like, I just know like I'm going to have such an easy time rolling my hair. And you know, sometimes that's not always the case, especially with two different textures. I was actually just watching Olive Destiny's video, and if you guys know, Olive Destiny used to be relaxed, and now she's natural, and I was like, that might be me soon, if I can't find anybody to relax my hair. And I am just personally, like, so afraid to self-relax, because my hair is so temperamental with, like, everything, that it's, like, I just feel like it would just be a disaster. So I don't know what I'm going to do, guys, but this is not a discussion of my relaxer. This is a discussion of this conditioner, which I am obsessed with. I can definitely see myself using this in a regular, wash day routine. Definitely adding it to my routine. Let's see if there's any. I don't see any protein standing out to me. This is also free from parabens, phthalates, silicones, and gluten. So that's amazing, but I really liked the conditioner, guys. I have no complaints about it. If you guys like a wash day routine, wash day videos, deep conditioner reviews, definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel down below if you're not already. I love to make this content here on my channel for you guys. And yeah, let me know if any of you guys have tried this out before on your relaxed or natural hair. I would love to hear your results. And I think that's all I have to say. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video very soon. Love you, girls. Mwah. Bye.